Struggling with Excel formulas, charts, and data analysis? What if you could simply tell Excel what you want in normal English and let AI help you do the difficult part? In this video, we'll take a very simple sales spreadsheet and use AI to turn it into something much more useful. We'll calculate sales, find important insights, and even create a chart without memorizing complicated formulas. To after, totals, insights, polished chart with motion blur. For many Excel beginners, the biggest problem isn't understanding the data. The problem is knowing which formula to use. You may know that you want to calculate total sales, compare products, or find the highest performing item. But then you have to remember some if X lookup, pivot tables, chart settings, and dozens of other Excel features. This is where AI can make Excel much easier. Instead of starting with a formula, you can start by describing the result you want. AI can then help you build the formula, analyze the information, and explain what the data is telling you. And if you enjoy practical tutorials like this video, share it with someone learning Excel, and subscribe to TechWise AI to stay updated with more practical AI and Excel training. Let's start with this simple sales table. We have the product name, quantity sold, and price. But our total sales column is empty. Normally, you would need to know that total sales equals quantity multiplied by price. With AI, we can simply ask. The AI analyzes the table, creates the calculation, and fills the formula down the column. And here is something important for beginners. Don't just accept the answer and move on. Look at the formula AI created. By doing this, AI doesn't only complete the task for you, it can also help you learn Excel. Now that our sales values are calculated, we can go one step further. Instead of manually sorting the table or searching through every number, we can ask AI a question. For example, within seconds, AI can analyze the table and identify both. But we can make the request even more useful. Ask. Now AI is no longer just calculating numbers. It is helping us understand what those numbers actually mean. For someone new to Excel, this is extremely useful because you can explore your data by asking questions in everyday language. Numbers are useful, but sometimes a chart communicates the result much faster. So let's ask AI. AI can use the data to help create a visual comparison. And now, instead of looking through rows of numbers, we can immediately see which products are performing better. This is where AI becomes especially valuable for beginners. You don't need to explore every menu before you understand what you want to create. You describe the result first, and then you can learn how Excel produced it. But there is one rule you should always remember. AI can make mistakes. If you're working with financial information, business reports, engineering data, or anything important, always verify the formulas and check the final result. Think of AI as your Excel assistant, not as someone who should make every decision for you. The best approach is simple. Ask AI. Review the answer, understand what it did, and then use the result. And look at what we accomplished. We started with a basic spreadsheet. Then AI helped us create a formula, calculate total sales, identify useful insights, and turn the information into a chart. You don't have to become an Excel expert before AI can help you become more productive. Start with a simple question. Then describe that task clearly. Let AI help you create the solution and learn from the result. If you want more practical AI training like this, subscribe to TechWise AI. and comment below. What should we cover next? AI formulas, AI data analysis, or AI dashboards in Excel? Stay subscribed and keep watching because more step-by-step AI training is coming next.